This online course's learning journey is oriented along essential building blocks of a founding story of a rural, social, innovative project. Each of the 6 topics will help you to better understand the complex environment in which social innovations are implemented. It will introduce you to tools and methods that enable you to improve the way your founding team works together. In addition, it will inspire you to look beyond your project for new ideas and approaches that eventually may improve the quality of life in your community. As third and final expert interview, we recommend you Norbert Kunz's take on what does it take to be a rural entrepreneur. This interview with the founder and CEO of Social Impact is a perfect introduction into your learning journey. You will learn about skills, assets, and knowledge that may help you with the first steps of your social entrepreneurial endeavor. So far, we have discussed the diverse characteristics of the rural context, as well as approached the theoretical foundations of the concept of social innovation and its connections to social entrepreneurship. You will now continue your learning journey with Module 2. The module Understanding Community Needs focuses on methods that allow you to best understand the needs of your target group, customers or clients. Here, we will learn how to design a user-centered value proposition and effectively engage with your stakeholders. In the following module on Business Model Design, we will learn how to develop a sustainable business model by guiding you through the preparatory phases of launching your own social innovative project. In addition to this development of innovative services or products, we want to highlight marketing activities that require the activation and cooperation of a large group of stakeholders in the whole region. The fourth module on impact design will help you to mainstream your activities towards generating a meaningful impact for your initiative's target group and society at large. Not only will you learn about how to create your theory of change, but you will also be introduced to an approach to assess and manage the impact or outcome of your project activities. The last module on sustainability design aims to open your perspective related to the big picture of implementing social innovations. Through in-depth discussions of the concepts of circular economy and open innovation, you will too get inspiration as well as hands-on guidance to increase the environmental sustainability of your projects.